For Star Bologna Train Station, self-check-in features a hot tub and air-conditioned accommodations with free Wi-Fi in the center of Bologna, a 9-minute walk from Via Indipendenza. The property is around a 18-minute walk from Piazza Maggiore, 0.7 miles from La Macchina del Tempo, and a 18-minute walk from Santo Stefano Church. Private parking can be arranged at an extra charge. At the condo hotel, every unit is equipped with a desk, a flat-screen TV, a private bathroom, bed linen, and towels. Every room is equipped with a coffee machine, while certain rooms are equipped with a fully equipped kitchen with a dishwasher, an oven, and a microwave. Additional in-room amenities include wine or champagne. À la carte and Italian breakfast options with fresh pastries, fruit, and juice are available each morning at the condo hotel. A bicycle rental service is available at 4-Star Bologna Train Station, self-check-in, while cycling can be enjoyed nearby. Popular points of interest near the accommodation include Mambo, Museum for the Memory of Ustica, and Quadrilatero Bologna. The nearest airport is Bologna Guglielmo Marconi Airport, 6.2 miles from 4-Star Bologna Train Station, self-check-in. Book now at the best price guaranteed. Using the link below to reserve your room.